Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how I can temporarily deactivate your account on the Facebook application. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and load up the Facebook application. I want to go ahead and click on the three lines in the bottom right hand corner. Once you've done that, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says settings and privacy. It will be a drop down menu, and then you want to go ahead and click on settings. Once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says your Facebook information. Then you want to go ahead and click on account ownership and control. From here, you then want to go ahead and click on deactivation and deletion. Now it's going to give you two options, so you can either deactivate your account, which obviously puts your account private, so nobody's going to be able to see your Facebook account until you reactivate it, but you still be able to use the Messenger app. Or you can permanently delete your account, which is obviously self-explanatory. So you want to click on deactivate account, then you want to click on continue to account deactivation. From here, you want to go ahead and type in your account password and click on continue and just follow on the process from there. So if that video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.